Hey everybody, John Wild from the Eco Guys. John Wild Saves the Earth. And here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, you know what? I rolled up and I thought somebody was going to grab this, and it was actually the guy who worked here, so everything's cool. Look at this monster. That is a shaft for an elevator. And it is 100% pure steel, and it weighs about, I would say, probably close to 100 pounds. Just this one piece right here. That is a heavy, heavy bastard. And I had two of them here. I already got one. I'm here to get this one, but look at this. Look at this. That is hard steel right there, my friend. And yeah, I scrapping this. Hey, my blinker's on. So these are fun. This is going to be fun. So let me turn my blinker off here. And before we get started, now I'm going to load it in here. It'll be able to take that, but that's it. Between me and my fat belly and that, whew, poor truck, poor scooter. Anyway, so we're going to take a look here, see if there's anything else. I think I'm zoomed in. Let me zoom out. Make sure there's nothing else. Any other goodies? I think I see something, so let's do it. Let's dig. Let's urban mine, my friend. Look at that. How about that, Farkle? Twice. Okay, penny. Hey, you know what? I'm a penny richer than I was before. All right, let's see here. Pennies from heaven. Pennies from dumpsters. All right. I don't see anything else in here. A lot of paperwork. See, that's how I go to the landfill. But what are you going to do? You know, paper. I don't think is not getting such bad money here in Orlando. I think it's how much, $1, 100 pounds or something like that. It's not bad, and it's not hard to get 100 pounds of paper. Just, I guess you fill this out and they start working. This is an elevator company. Look at that. This is an elevator company, and they always have good stuff out here in the dumpster. I keep saying, God, guys, just save the stuff for me. But then I wouldn't have a really cool video of me digging into a dumpster. Why did all of a sudden I saw like Beavis and Butthead just then? Wouldn't have the fun of digging in a dumpster, Butthead. Anyway, I guess I didn't sound like him. I guess thought I thought. Anyway, I'm rambling. I do that sometimes. All right. I don't see anything else in here. Lots of cardboard I can't get through. I just wanted to make sure that there was nothing else. I'm sure there probably is. I just don't see it. But one guy works. He was really cool, young guy. He was the one I thought was getting my stuff, but he wasn't. He didn't care. And he tells me that they throw away the best stuff always, and there's nothing they can do about it. But let me know it's there. All right. Nothing else great. I'm gonna try to get this metal band out without cutting my hand, but I can't. It's stuck. All right, so I'm gonna need both hands to load that bastard. So I shall return, Mr. Wimley. Well, there it is. Snug as a bug in a rug. Back on my scooter. Whew. I would have to say probably anywhere between 50 and 75 pounds. That one piece, and boy, I tell you, I kind of wish it was stainless steel or aluminum, because I'd rather get 20 cents a pound for that right now than 4 cents a pound. That's what it's going at right now. So we're going to ratchet this down because this is a heavy, heavy bastard, and so we're going to ratchet that down, take it, and I'm guessing $3. But you know what? It's $3 I didn't have before, and it's 7,500 pounds worth of steel not going to the landfill. There she is on the scale. The Cardi card is about 46 pounds. This bad boy is weighing in at 132 pounds. So yeah. So we're gonna see what it weighs. Well, we know what it weighs. Let's see what it pays. I'd say about $3. We'll find out. Okay, so 132. Can't really see, but I can't see without my glasses, but this is what it weighed. About 86 pounds, $3.50. It's kind of what I thought it was going to be.
Hold the receipt with the barcode facing up. Please wait while we process your transaction.
I'll toss that right there. Oh, $3 I think it was. 1, 2, 3. 360. There you go. Okay, off to the next one. Please help support my channel. Like, share, subscribe, tell everyone you know. Maybe throw a couple bucks in our tip jar. We really need the help to keep recycling going, education going, and fun. So please try to do what you can to help out, all right? Stay green.